almost paradise, walking on na, na, na. Hi, it's Shira from Lion Brand, and I am here to do an unboxing. There is something really cool in this box. I have a feeling it's yarn. Let's check it out. All right. I see sparkle. Guys, check it out. This is Summer Nights bonus bundle, now available at Michael's. The tinsel, the sparkle is in. This yarn is a lace weight, so it's a super fine. It is 875 yards. You heard me. Project in a ball. I love it. There is so much yardage in here. You can make that perfect lace weight shawl that you have been wanting to make. You've been like, what yarn could I use? Summer Nights bonus bundle. There is a color in here for everybody. You have a nice neutral. Sure. I like this one actually. This one's fun, even though I know that that bright orange isn't a neutral, but it definitely adds like a little pop. The color that I'm most in love with, this is just a party. This is a party in a ball, okay? I'm gonna tell you the name of this yarn. It's Paradise. You know, it kind of looks like a sunset, a Hawaiian sunset, if you will. So there are lots of colors. There are over 10 colors available. Oh, it's so soft. And it really is, even though there's 875 yards in this ball, it's light as a feather. It's really soft. So I can imagine being on the beach somewhere with, I really keep on going back to a shawl because it's just so perfect of that lace weight feeling. You also, just so you guys know, it's an acrylic polyester blend. So definitely nice and light, perfect for those evening walks, great garment ideas, and it's a project on the go because you have it all in one ball. All right, I hope to hear from you guys, and I want to know what you guys are going to be making out of this yarn, so leave your comments below, and thanks again for joining me for this awesome unboxing. So what I want to know from you guys is, what are you going to make with this yarn, and what color are you going to choose?